Another day, another story. Are you interested in making money online with your skills in the English language? In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to become a successful freelancer even if you're starting from scratch. Learn valuable tips, strategies, and platforms to kickstart your freelancing career and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your skills into a lucrative online business. Welcome to a brand new video. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards financial independence, where you can leverage your English language skills to earn money from anywhere in the world? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the process of establishing a successful freelance career, even if you're starting from scratch. Working as a freelancer provides countless opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills in the digital era. Whether you're a writer, translator, graphic designer, or even a programmer, there is a vast demand for English language services online. So, let's dive into the key steps to get you started on your path to becoming a successful freelancer. Step 1: Assessing your skills and passion. The first step is to evaluate your skills and determine what services you can offer as a freelancer. Take some time to assess your strengths, such as writing, translating, editing, or any other skill that you excel at. Additionally, identify your passion areas, as freelancing allows you to choose projects that align with your interests. Step 2: Building a strong portfolio. To attract potential clients and stand out in the competitive freelance market, building a strong portfolio is crucial. Compile your best work samples and showcase them in a visually appealing way. If you're just starting, consider volunteering or offering your services at a discounted rate to gain experience and build a portfolio that reflects your expertise. Step 3: Setting up your freelance profile. Narrator. Once you've identified your skills and built a portfolio, it's time to create a compelling freelance profile. Choose a reputable freelance platform that matches your skills and target audience. Craft a captivating bio that highlights your expertise and unique selling points. Remember to use relevant keywords to optimize your profile for better visibility. Step 4: Building your online presence. Building an online presence beyond freelance platforms is essential for establishing credibility and attracting clients. Create a professional website or a blog where you can showcase your work, share valuable content, and engage with potential clients. Utilize social media platforms to network with like-minded professionals and promote your services. Step 5: Nailing your proposals and securing projects. Now that you have your skills, portfolio, and online presence in place, it's time to start bidding on projects and securing clients. When creating proposals, personalize them to each client's needs, highlight relevant experience, and explain how you can add value to their projects. Polish your communication skills to impress potential clients during interviews and negotiations. Congratulations! You've learned the essential steps to embark on your journey as a freelancer and make money online with your English language skills. Remember, freelancing requires dedication, continuous self-improvement, and perseverance. So go out there, explore the vast opportunities available, and turn your passion into a profitable online business. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from the exciting world of freelancing. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, happy freelancing! Thanks for watching.